to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Down markets change the care-abouts of the investor. The investor wants to know the business will survive difficult times. Here are some key points to consider when pitching your startup in a down market. Focus on the core financials to show the business is stable. Show how the company is cash flow positive or nearing it. Talk about the break-even point and how soon your startup will reach it. Show the burn rate is low and shrinking. Highlight the path to profitability. Show reasonable valuations and fundraise goals. Focus on the core business and avoid extraneous products and markets. Show the strength of the core team and the competitive product they are building. And talk about how founders have launched and grown startups in down markets before. Point out the market opportunities in the current down market. Pitching the startup in an up market focuses on the potential growth. Pitching in a down market focuses on the solidity of the business and its efficiency. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.